Very good afternoon, Linjani. Kuzidana zonke lokuzonga lesisikhathi. As you know, I love to see our own people doing very well. It's a blessing to see our people doing so well. This is a fine young lady from Bulawayo, ohamba UK. Her name is Queen Soa. Opened this state-of-the-art training unit in Tege. Ngizofika kuye. Ngibona kade vele kuyini okwenzakalayo lapha ke erugare uthahlakani kahle medicals ngihlangabezwe iambulance lapha ngibona hopefully izathola lamadoda uhle hawu bantu hawu nesile le ngibona iambulance le ugare medical hlakani kahle aha loveliness sawona queen uthini yachisa manje yachisa manje ngiyabonga kakhulu njani into engizobona ngumfonela ngifuna uzovakatshela lapha in reception le.
This is our reception. We are here in our unit here too.
Yeah.
And then our medical aid offices are at the back.
Okay, so lapha hey indawo ihleli.
Siyabonga.
So registered fully yonke into.
We are fully registered and we are also registered as a renal unit as well.
Kanti wena wamane ke?
About 2000, she's
2000?
I went, yes, but my wish was always to come back home.
Right.
eZimbabwe, but ngazama konke ngathengisa isicathulo ngayenza i-farming ngayenza inkukhu ngayenza ama-trucks wehlula until 2020 ize ngikhulelwe ngumntwana ngibuyela
usule 20 years
yes.
wasubuya lapha ekhaya.
Yes, so ngithembile ngabulelwa ngumntwana. They charged me about 28,000 ukulela piece
Yes.
US dollars.
Hey.
So that's when I decided I phone for the medical aid, which is affordable for everybody. Uyasebenza awusebenzi ule mali awula mali. That was the birth of Rugare Hlala Ngilahle.
Wathi umntana wabo after ukucharge imali enjalo wathi kumele ngenzele abantu abangasebenziyo abantu aba self employed.
If I have that kind of money ukuthi umntana wami ayadlula.
Kwanceda utula imali.
Kwanceda ukuthi at that time I had the money.
Ungelayo ngakakho. So wasusithi kungcono lokho ngibona abantu eZimbabwe ba affected, let me go ekhaya ngoba wena ungahlale ngoba eUK ule company zakho futhi.
Yes.
We employed on as umuntu obusisiwe.
Hayi kodwa ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu.
Hayi siyabonga. Into embone ngaba phambili. Hey. Uma TV
This is our waiting room.
You waiting room there.
Yes. And these are our plans. Angazi uyawabona.
Ngiyabona nama plan lawo. Okay. So lapha babe bukela iTV bemelele ukungena.
Babelele TV bemelele ukungena. And these are our offices.
Lapha irenal uchaze phela thina abanye asikwazi ngokuthi renal bakhuluma ngani lapha nezizwe.
Ngama kidneys izinso.
Okay.
And service idila lama adults abantu abadala.
Okay, asebefuna ukuncediswa kuthiwa kuyini lokho? Ukumcleaner.
Ukumcleaner izinso zakhe.
Okay. All right. Hey, so umntana sekhaya. Okay, lapha i-room lesi.
That's our it's only it's a small unit, Chisa.
Yeah.
It's going to be a 24-hour unit.
Yeah.
It's just a 4-bedded unit. Sifuna ukubona ukuthi kuyaqala njani. But through God's grace as well, we've taken over a Premier Hospital, a former Premier Hospital, let's say Hillside.
The Premier Hospital.
Yes, it's now.
Yes,
it's now Rugare Medical Hospital.
Wow.
So, sizabona ukuthi kuyahamba njani, then the rest of the machines sizayafaka ngale Hillside.
Azuthi umntwana ozisebenzeleyo wasebenza hard uNkulunkulu wakusiza yikho kufuneka lokho ukuthola umama abengilanda usebenza kathi kangaka. Siyabonga. So lapha okay umuntu ipatient uyilale la.
Yes, uyilale lapha. Normally dialysis takes about 4 to 6 hours.
Umuntu uyibani?
Yes, so we'll be providing ama meals khona and it's a 24-hour unit. Kulabanye abantu ababechayisa emsebenzini bengafuna ukwazakala ukuthi they're going for dialysis, so they can come after work. We've got free Wi-Fi, we've got television, we've got a DSTV, so
Okay, so nxa ezidialysis yakhe lapho uyabe ezibukelele umuntu relax.
We are very relaxing, yes, and we've got our showers as well with Marekreta, and we offer the service that will be taking you home. Sometimes Marekreta dialysis will be a week.
Okay.
Yes.
So we
we'll
have
assess the situation, yes, even in a part of we'll offer that service to take them home.
This is good,
We
man.
want to bring the NHS to Zimbabwe.
Yeah, NHS
Yes,
to
make a
Zimbabwe.
difference.
Wow. Yeah, Mkwini lo. Yeah.
So this is the sluice room. This is where human waste.
Okay.
Because it's a small unit, so it's a small one.
So guess okay.
Yes, that's where human waste.
What ufundela ngabe ngalungelo? Ufunda bona?
I'm a
When
nurse.
are you
I trained in the UK as a nurse. I am
Oh,
a nurse. Yes.
Catholic.
So I just transferred my skills over. Though I'm a psychiatric nurse, but
Okay.
yeah. So this is a shower and disabled toilet.
Okay.
So in case blood contamination, staff can bath, even patients can have a shower. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sesiyaku rental room 2. So lapha kaMkwini indaba le uyivula nini?
I'm just waiting for a few days of it. Maybe in the next couple of weeks we'll be opening. We're looking at April.
Okay,
which is
April.
our official opening.
So this is another room la.
This is yes.
Then sibole a private one there.
Lay is the private one. So Lay they'll be sharing.
Sharing the room but diba
Yes,
lola lo le
there's a
space.
curtain.
Le curtain. Wow. Ama machines onke lawo.
Yes,
These
ama-
machines avele ngaphi Ntombi?
Avele UK, they're actually the latest Fresenius machines.
Okay.
Yes. So we just use Fresenius.
Okay.
5008. Yeah.
5,000 no?
And 8.
Oh, yabuthi siyawazi wama 5008. Thina zange siyelo oho lapha ke konke lokwencedayo lama plans. Sesiya ku rental room 3. Ngenye futhi.
This is the fourth one is laying yes 4.
Yes 4 lay.
Laying yes
4. So
yes.
you've got 4 ama machines.
4 machines and 4 beds. So 2 single beds and 2 other share.
So-
and then this is where we are keeping dialyzers and all commodities.
Okay.
Yes. And those are
Rental unit sesilayo bla kula muntu ozathunyele eHarare now.
aircon. All our rooms have got aircon.
So they'll be watching TV here, everything they want. While sibezenzelwa belatshwa abadala. Hey. So wena ngwakho nxa ukhangele suthethe ke isibhedlela esikhulu kangaka. Hayi wena. Ipremier.
This is our emergency exit.
So-
Sorry, we'll go through that.
Okay.
Yes, we've taken over Premier Asia,
Yeah.
and we want to do something different. We want to do like my kidney transplant, so that in Southern Africa we can have people coming from South Africa and Namibia, kungabi just Zimbabwe.
Okay.
So we want to do something different. Fungenzi halfway house, Fungenzi rehabilitation,
Right.
yes, drug rehabilitation.
Okay. So lapha kwenziwa
So this is the doctor's consultation room.
ngodokotela behlezi la.
Lapha ikhona begcina khona ama-records
Right.
and the doctors here.
Doctor is here.
Yes.
All right, the consultation room le.
Yes.
So ngaqiqala lapho ngangicheka cheka.
Yes, kakhulu. So I'm not a doctor.
Okay.
So we'll be preparing our meals.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our female and male toilet.
Right.
So this was actually a house which we converted to a clinic.
You bought this property.
Yes, we own it
But
outright.
you are not renting it.
No.
Uthi umnikazi athi sengifuna bag.
Aye. So we got a property.
You bought that one.
Yes.
The mail is there. This is good. How the
Our
kids?
meals are prepared here. So
Yeah.
our clients will be having freshly prepared meals.
Okay.
Yes.
So laba babuyile lama clients and
Siyaba prepare our meals, freshly cooked meals. So we've got
Right.
our food handlers who will be
Yeah.
preparing the meal.
Okay.
And then in case of an emergency,
yeah.
this is our emergency exit.
Okay. Khathi laba phela this is UK. I'm just seeing isibhedlela esikhulu eNgilandi futhi even better man.
So this is our ambulance bay. We've also got the ambulance service as
All right.
well.
Okay.
So that's our ambulance bay. And this
Iyo
is
la
our-
ambulance.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So i-ambulance le yavela khona la.
yes, everything came from the UK.
Hey, Queen. Ubiseni konke into zonke lezi.
It's been a lot of hard work, Ezra. It hasn't been easy.
Yeah.
But all this was planned during COVID. So COVID, that's when we've been buying these things and sending them over.
Right.
So yeah.
Okay.
So can you bring me my keys? The receipt.
Oh, ambulance.
Yes. So we've got a plant room where water purification.
Oh, water should be purified before it's used.
So excuse me, we are working here, ladies.
Oh, sorry, mama. Ligqokile ngithaya siyabonga ngangeni. Semsebenzi siyabonga.
Mankosi yakwana wa. Ngicela ungidonsele lokho.
Okay.
Just move it.
Yes. Oh, mama na baba. Basebenza sebelungiselela.
So this is our plant room. This is where the
Yo,
water is purified.
yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6 before
6.
it goes to the body.
Why? Why is that so? Ukuthi amanzi are purified.
Because amanzi abengekho clean abele nhlabathi.
Okay.
I-pure water mawuyithatha empompini. So yeah, they clean amanzi
So despite the very manzi na clean I-council mina ayozwa purify futhi.
Yes, we still purify them.
Engangena emzimbeni.
Engakangena emzimbeni.
Right. Phinde uye phansi la.
Iphinde ibuye then sisingena emzimbeni.
Khona ngiyakusabela. Wayebese England la, wayebese Britain la.
It hasn't been easy. It is doable, but
It's not easy.
It's not easy, but it is doable.
So this is your ambulance.
It hasn't happened overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. And I'm happy that you bought this property. So nobody can say anything. You want to
Yes,
change.
So these are staff changing rooms and staff toilets.
Or stuff babe ngapha.
And
Labayenza ama-medical aid labebuya abantu bababone ngawo without going to the clinic itself.
yes, our medical aid offices are there. Step back. So like I said, medical aid.
So it's medical aid this
Yes,
side.
and this is my office.
This is the CEO's office. I need to take over that by the CEO's office. Okay. So this is your office.
This is my office.
Okay. Queen, wenza wakho you've won ama-awards. I'm so pleased. They recognized your work and your honesty, integrity, and being authentic. Into ezenzayo abantu bazabona. Businesswoman of the year, ZNCC. Wow. Yo. Oh. Super platinum winner. Amakapho onke lawo. Last week, congratulations, you won this.
Yes, I'm actually the National Businesswoman of the Year with MegaFest. I won it on the 4th. Lei is Matebeleland.
Okay.
So,
So make a face, you won business of the year.
national.
National.
Zimbabwe.
But you know, Mama Beharare, you can do winner.
I'm actually proud that Blue Whale Girl has actually brought it home. I'm very proud.
So how are they? What do they say to you? Are they trying to get to understand who exactly you are?
I mean, we are getting quite a lot of phone calls from players to understand who is Queen and Queen Wenzani. Yes.
Yeah. So unjenje ipress bafuna ukwazi abantu bamanje uthola intombazana esakhulayo. Labantwana.
Labantwana bayithu.
Oh.
Yes.
Right.
Boy and the girl.
Base UK.
My son is in England. He runs the UK business.
Okay.
Yes. And
So you trained your son.
yes. I had to
Okay.
groom him when he was young. My father trained me because I
Okay.
was exposed to business from the age of 5.
Wow.
My dad had businesses, so it's just been a continuum. I had my first business at 16,
We're the first business 16.
16 years of age. So my father hasn't looked after
Hey, UK
me.
was young, going to school.
In UK, initially I was going to school, but until I got my opportunities. So as a nurse, I don't like to be controlled.
Okay.
So I was like, having pure my instructions, and I was like, I'm gonna open my own thing. So that's when I opened my own company, my own agency in 2012.
Right.
But when I graduated as a nurse 2007.
Wow.
So between 2007 and 2012, I had a cleaning company.
Also,
Yes. And then at the same time in Zimbabwe, I was doing my businesses.
okay.
So
So then he said, no, as a nurse, I'll be told I'm a shifty rota, spending hours and hours. As somebody wanted to be an entrepreneur, you couldn't do it because if one has vunyelwa and all that.
And I was working in a prison as well.
Okay.
So, phone.
Right.
And yeah, but it helped me being a nurse.
Okay.
Because I then saw my opportunities. Because
Right.
I tried business, with tracking, it didn't work, farming, it didn't work, and I said, you know what, I need to do something where I've got the expertise,
Right.
which is in healthcare, and I don't regret. And I see we're not stopping here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're growing.
We are growing. We actually,
Now that you purchased that hospital, the Premier, a lot of people know it's Premier. I'm going to refer as Premier because that's what people know. You say Hillside, eh?
yes.
It's how many beds is that one?
It's 68 bed.
68-bed hospital, a Premier, to be private, really run by your
It's
car.
actually a list. We didn't purchase it. It's
Okay,
leased
yeah,
out.
I'm saying it's like purchase it because
Yes.
you'll be running it as a lease.
Yes.
And then he's going to open his stores
It's
very
going to
soon.
open its stores, and we're going to open with a bang.
Yeah.
Because when we say private, we really want to make it private. Because there's this thing with the Premier, Tina want to change the narrative.
Okay, so abantu laba, all these people, doctors, bonke laba, you're going to employ all these people?
Yes, we've actually got a board of doctors as well from the UK who will be coming in to help
Okay.
as well. So yes, Sabeslama doctors.
So it'll be a one-stop hospital.
It will be a one-stop hospital. There'll be everything: radiology, pathology, konke.
Okay.
We're planning on opening halfway house, rehab, and we're not sure about maternity, but we'll be actually having doctor surgeries as well.
Dr. Sitcham's in there. Okay, so currently being renovated and all
It's
this.
currently being renovated, yes, to top spec.
You want to take over the health lab as well? I want to be doing the queen.
Khathesi
Khathesi-
hlalani kahle we mean it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We want to get ukuthi umuntu ayibona udokotela ufuneka imali, but nxa sile medical cover, medical aid cover, susihambele.
Ususihambela, and our medical aid is quite good, Chisa, because we try ukuthi in a very minimal shortfall.
Right.
Very minimal shortfall.
Okay.
Because you find ukuthi umuntu le medical aid,
Yes.
but then sesiyabona udoctor sokuthiwa or operation sokuthiwa 2,000 upfront.
Yeah.
We don't want that.
Yeah.
So we really try ukuthi ama patients ethu, ama clients ethu abe comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngoba what is helpful ku Queen is that the doors are open. Anyone who ongakwazi ubhadala ama subscriptions zakhe is covered.
Yeah, as long as you can pay it. Asilanda ukuthi uyasebenza, awusebenzi, because eZimbabwe abantu abaningi abasebenzi, but
Yeah.
they've got money. So as long as you can pay for your subscriptions,
Yeah.
you can come to Rugari.
Yeah. So coming lapha ekhaya wena azange think twice coming back home.
No.
Seeing that things are very tough economic situation and all that.
No.
Yeah.
I took it to the president's call would come back, and I must say my life has been simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hasn't been as difficult as what people say with social media, which you face hurdles and stuff like that.
Yeah.
No.
Bazakhela nje into yakho private, you don't care. Queen is an ordinary young Bulawayo girl.
Exactly. I think the problem is when sabuya nizovakatsha uyabula khona ukhanya ukuthi ngibuye ekhaya, you want to spend a lot of money. Whereas when you now live here, it's completely different. Now I hardly spend $100 a week because I live here. I'm just leading a simple
Usukwazi.
life.
Nxa uvela phela uzama uyimpressa wonke umuntu. Uthi hayi ngivela phetsheya le mana ngithena abantu bangeza emabhawa.
And it's not as bad as what people think. Maungale, ekhaya kwenzi. But it's not as bad. I would encourage people.
Oqahlele is quality life as well.
Quality of life, yeah.
Yeah.
But khathesi when I go home, my house is cleaned. You know, I'm going home to my family. Ngitshayisa ngo-5. England, ngazifika endlini ngabo-11. Ngabo-5 somele ngivuke and drive going to work, and you develop diabetes and all that because you're eating junk. But yeah, no, home is good for me. I'm happy.
You're very happy. I can see that you're very happy. I can see you're happy.
And I want to change the health sector because we need to change the narrative. And
Yeah.
usufike.
Yes.
But you need to live before you die.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to ask the Queen. A lot of people is that what are tiny funeral police? Funeral police, they don't care about their health.
No, they don't.
Health police is more important than the funeral police.
But nxa sebegula usuhlupha isihloko.
Suhlupha isihloko. Kanti nxa to the police to cover you for your sicknesses, yeah, important. I think narrative, like you're saying, needs to change.
Yes.
Should never think of the funeral cover before think of the health police. You need to go to a doctor, talk lamali.
Exactly.
What I see out there, abantu zothi turn it down. Kuthi ufuneka imali 2,000. Kuthi we landline. But these people got kids who are UK, got children all over. Bengabhadala i-police, i-health police. Bebhadala ama-families abo. Then they be covered. Mama, go and see a doctor until medical aid yakho yerugala. Mina namali uthumela from UK, but we are covered. Mama uyazobona udokotela arefeywe. That's the best thing.
And Rugare Medical, we're actually registered in the United Kingdom as well.
Okay.
In South Africa. So if you've got family here in Zimbabwe, we are going to in UK. We are going to in South Africa.
Okay.
As well. So we've got that facility to make life easy for people in the diaspora.
Right. So you don't need to do physical awela.
No.
Can pay there in UK, cover. Customers are going to very minimal.
Very reasonable. And we are actually one of the few, if not the only one, is Tatama over 65 years.
Or if it over 65 can be covered?
Yes, we cover ma over 65.
Tengela no koko, tengela no kulu, tengela no poto mama.
And we've got a special Yama students at the moment going on.
Even children who cover?
Even children we cover.
Abantwana besikolo?
Abantwana besikolo, yes.
Wow. This is good, Queenie. When your parents are still here, they're in Zimbabwe?
Very supportive. My parents are here and I'm grateful. Especially wherever your dad was going.
Okay,
my dad is my support network, yeah.
Okay, but I'll tell you.
No, I live on my own.
Also independent now?
My dad is a farmer, yeah.
Okay, now so independent.
Yeah.
Hayi liyani into ulandela ubaba because ufuna uqele emotini yakhe emuva ubaba uyale la usilandela kuphela kadezi hayi usebenza Tony also change the health mentality towards patients. Yeah, lapha ikokuzamayo basikhala esibhedlela ngoba eZimbabwe they don't understand the mental health issues.
Yes.
They don't understand. But uyahlanya lo people don't understand.
We need to bring, as a psychiatric nurse, what we're planning on doing is for a start to sivula isibhedlela, because what I've realized is the mental health in Zimbabwe is like 10 years behind the UK. So initially when we start, our CPNet will be based in England. So we will be taking patients, but my assessment, what they'll do is they'll get into a room, telemed, if they are awake, telemed, and they'll be assessed in England. Belapha. And then they're given the modern drugs, because you find some drugs are.
Okay.
So we're trying to really change the healthcare here in Zimbabwe. But that will be under the Rugare umbrella.
So AUK, I can see you've got 120 carers, over 300 nurses. Yes, you're creating employment for it. What you're doing the same.
Trying, yes, right? There's
So this is really helpful. I can imagine if you now do best there, headlines every day.
Yeah, we've been on the papers, I think 4 times last week.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, and I know there are ladies.
You be running away to get. I'm going to Harare. No.
I am going to open a branch in Harare, but no.
Headquarters remain here.
Will be beware.
Okay. Humble over into. I won't allow that.
No.
Yeah.
A
good girl. And I think maybe I told one of the guys I'm explaining.
I'm a medical aid. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go.
Let me see if I can get them for you.
Yeah.
Do you want a drink, Chisa?
No, I'm cool. I'm cool. Very. Lapha ngiyathathela ngiyavula ama fridge.
Mr. Moyo.
Oh, Mr. Moyo.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Moyo njani? Angiyaphila. Esingahlala ngube. Lesixoxe ngaloko sena. Okay, this ambulance came from UK. It's got everything. Wow. These are the toilet. Hey. All right. Okay, Lord, I something. Yeah. Something else that you want. It's a big place. Moyo, unga beka, unga lapha. Awu likhalanga, awu likhalanga. So my workers, she employs local people, which is good. Wasingabe consultations ngomlapha songani udote. Yebo moyo bani?
Hlengani moyo.
Wahlangana moyo kanjani?
Ubhalule umvile emnyama, bese semnyama.
Aha.
Yimlo.
Right, moyo. Ngiyayibona intombi la yenza izimanga la. Mina ngi-interested in medical aid cover because I'm worried ngihambe ezibhedlela abantu they are turned away, kufuneka imali ye-scan, imali ye-consultation kudokotela, imali yalokhu. So uQueen untshela ukuthi you came out with the medical aid.
Yes.
Yes, akutsho nge-medical aid leyo sitshela ukuthi uhamba njani.
I-medical aid yethu awekathi sisebenza singaphansi kwe-Cellnet.
Right.
Ngenxa yemithetho yelizwe.
Kumele underwrite yonke.
Yes, kumele underwriter. Xa usaqalisa.
Yeah.
So sesile 2 years kade sisi-operator sikhona lapha eZimbabwe. Silokhe sisasebenza ukuthi sizimele sodwa.
Right.
I-medical aid yethu i-acceptable in over 98% of health facilities, pharmacies, laboratories across the country. We have a directory of services, private surgeries, laboratories, pharmacies ezisebenza lapho abakulist yethu ukuthi nxa uhamba khona uphethe medical aid yethu awubhadali shortfall, awubhadali copayment. Njalo icover konke, ayikhethi ukuthi pathology yacover, ayicover radiology, amanglazi ayicover, icover ama-admissions kuphela hatshi, icover nje konke.
So you cover everything?
It cover everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Lokho ama-packages ethu esilawo, silama-packages ambalwa, sile Scholamed. Scholamed, it was recently introduced, ayikabe le 2 weeks i-introduciwe, $10.
It's $10.
Yes, ngiyabantwana abasezikolo, ngaba ese-primary, ese-secondary, ese-high school, kumbe ese-college, kumbe e-varsity, iyamkhava.
Okay, as long as he's a student.
As long as they are a student.
Okay.
Iyamkhava $10 per month.
Right.
I-benefit yakhona $5,000 per year.
Right.
So engifisa ukuthi abalaleli bethu bakuzwisise kakhulu ukuthi bengakhangeli kakhulu ukuthi ubhadala malini, kodwa kakhangele ukuthi ubenefita okunganani emalini leyo oyibhadalayo. Ngoba usala ukuthi ubhadala i-medical aid $5, ubenefit $2,000 kaye kuqeda umnyaka.
Ayuqeda
So
umnyaka. So 5,000.
Yes, qalisa ku-5,000 kusiya phezulu. Bazabe besiza okunye esihamba ngakho kuma-medical aid ethu abakubenefitayo. Sile inyeke yokuthiwa i-value plan. I-value plan iyabe ikhangele abantu abangaphansi kweminyaka engu-65. Kusukela abantwana kuze kuyefika abangadala abangaphansi kweminyaka engu-65, ubhadala $17 ngenyanga. Layo ile benefit ye$5,000 ngomnyaka.
Okay.
Kube sokubuya esikubiza sithi ngama-diaspora plans. Ama-diaspora plans lama categories angu-3. Sile Manuka plan, sile Lavender plan, sibe siba le-Clover plan. Ku-Manuka le-Lavender layo icover abangaphansi kweminyaka engu-65. Leyi ukufaka ezibhedlela ezinjengabo-Corporate 24 Medical Center, Garden House, lezinye nje ezitshiyeneyo over and above the directory of services esiyabe sikunika zona ukuthi uhambe khona. Like I said, 0 shortfalls and 0 co-payments. In the event that you are made to pay a shortfall or a co-payment, you bring a claim form to us and we pay you within 2 weeks.
Okay.
Kube sokusithi i-Clover yiyo eqala ukuthatha abantu abadala. Thina abantu abadala siyabathatha, asitsho ukuthi abantu abadala abayidingi kwezinye indawo hashi. Abantu abadala ngikhuluma ngasebenza ngaphezulu kweminyaka engu-65. Yabakhava. Nxa bebuya belama-dependents, mhlawumbe ngabazukulu kumbe ngabantwana, bale mali abayibhadalayo abantu baqalisa ku-$120. Kube sokusiba lenye okuthiwa yi-search plan. Nxa ebuya umuntu omdala eyedwa engelabazukulu engelamanye ama-dependents, uyabe ebhadala $214 ngenyanga.
Okay.
Le benefit yakhona is $33,000 icloser.
Okay.
Sengibala nje ukuthi icover bona abantwana, icover abaphakathi laphakathi, isicover labantu abadala.
Alright.
Benefit yakhona $33,000 ngomnyaka. Nxa kungenzeka ukuthi awuselapheki eZimbabwe, siyakuhambisa ezibhedlela eziseSouth Africa ezinjengabo Netcare hospitals, sikuhambise njalo eIndia.
So it will take you to India,
It will take you to India.
Okay.
All expenses will be paid for by the medical aid,
Right.
including traveling and stay, plus medical expenses.
All right. So people can find you where?
People can find us on social media handles. We are available on LinkedIn. We are also available. Abangikhaya lapha koBulawayo basithola between 11th Avenue and between 11 and 12th Avenue along George Slundiga. Abakwaziyo iPolytechnic endala koBulawayo town si opposite sentshonalanga wePolytechnic.
Okay, and amafoni ungakhuluma kwabamuntu ufuna ifoni?
Amafoni bengangithinta directly ku 0772 852 811. Lingangithinta loba sikhathwane sixoxisane ku WhatsApp silichazele kabanzi ngama packages esilapha.
Thank you. Thawuhlengani.
Hlengani, yes.
Ukhona umuntu ngiyalo ngeChurch lapho uthi hayi ukulungela iChurch. Siyabonga kakhulu. Yeah, we were at Rukara hlalani kahle. Just to recap, this is a new renal unit koBulawayo. You're not going to be referred to Harare anymore. You're not going to Harare for all these things, Galama kidneys and all that. It's all here. Start from all here. And you want to look at a medical. So you come in here, police reception, and then you go 3 there's 10. So just recap to show you. And when I go to the corner lapa, it's a recap. Yabo, nanga my unit, nothing China, everything. Journalists Bonella. Wow. So it's all here, so no more problems. So you be referred, lonke ubelapha, ufuna dialysis. These are the machines. So it will be opening soon, very soon. Just waiting a few things. Wow. Yeah, this is Queen. So, siyabonga Madam Queen. Tony, please give me his contact. This is good. This is what we want in Bulawayo. This is a girl who has been hardworking. She's also hardworking. Kazangacabangi odoti nje ukuthi mana nginezinto zama Trandocan utshontshela abantu izimali ama-pyramid scheme. She didn't do it. What you mean now, be genuine and authentic. This is what we want from our sister. Or Sister Baning. If one can do, I know all you ladies can do it. She did it due diligence. She even consulted some of us. I won't check it in our land. We did that for her. I will and you get to umuntu mevisi kububani atinza izintenje. She did it on her own. Azange ahlupheke. Thatha singeneni wakwazi wathi into yabantu abaningi vele iyahlupha ayiphuthi kahle. So ngiyabona abantwana bakhala ukuthi okwenza njani yedwa. Hayi nathi wakwazi ukuthi ulo uphikisana okuningi. Sengihamba bengisabona ukuthi spokeswonesly wathengisa lokho nabamama babuza abaningi ukuthi kwenze njani. When you knew what you wanted to say you came. Wakwazi futhi into zama groups ziyahlupha. Spend more time bickering lenye. Wenofuna uhlala uhlekela nje ungathola into exoxela ngemovie lana, that's it. But business wise you want to focus.
Exactly.
Yeah. So your message to the people, Queenie, ungahambi CEO. Uzwa njani ibizo elikhulu ngangathi CEO?
You have to remain humble in business.
Yeah. Okay.
Because the people you meet on your way up, you can always meet them on your way down.
Correct.
And honesty in business is very important. And tonight, we value everybody. Whether uvelangaphi, ungubani, To us, we value our clients. So to people that are say England who want to come back home, I can mentor ladies. I'm not being a sexist, but those who want, I can mentor them. It is doable. It's not easy, but it's doable.
Right.
Yes.
It's not
so they shouldn't give up.
Yes, it's not everyone. I said you to go to health now. You can come out with something.
Yes, you can come up with something different.
Right.
But what I
can meet someone online, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and decide to say, I'll do business with such a person when you've never seen a character, when you've never seen or effect checking or due diligence, and then say, I've trusted this person who possesses something. It's a risk. Okay, we said a very important thing, Queen, that you went the due diligence, and all of you started in 2017.
We registered Rugari 2017.
And started operating.
Started operating in 2022. But the big problem is the anxiety, especially when in the UK, you'll be saying, hippie business,
you want the money overnight?
Yes.
It will never happen.
It will never happen.
The money can't come from the trees. It will be overnight riches.
Like, but it's been a journey. Just didn't happen yesterday. It's been a journey.
Right.
Yeah.
So you encourage them when they faithful and they need to come down.
Yes.
Relying on muntu.
And when you're dealing with people, you need to be honest.
When all car are overcharged of it.
Yes, overcharge abantu, but once you get onto the ground, you understand where resist. And I think any problem which I was facing, I was over consulting. Because you have to pull, so you over consult. Then you get confused.
Right.
So very over consult as well can be a problem. Yeah, you're better off on the ground because something is $120, or $30, and quality so but when you're on the ground, you do it due diligence and you make your own decision.
Okay, galula
Galula.
All right. And when you did that, was one year?
Yes. Initially, I used to come. Every 6 weeks, I used to come to Zimbabwe for about 2-3 weeks. Throughout, flat out, save my money, come back. That's how I built my house. That's how I built my business. Until a time where I saw I'm ready to relocate back home.
Yeah, we are Kelly Kumara, but he used to be friends.
Thank you.
Right. So thank you. I like the advice, and the ladies, our mentor, she's there. She's busy, but she can make time.
Okay.
And try to love Zimbabwe. You love this country.
I love Zimbabwe.
You love Bulawayo so much.
I left here when I was 16, so I think I've spent
more time. 16.
Yes, I spent more time abroad than here.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
So I've come back and I'm 42.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
this is what creating a millionaire. This is overnight. I'm a million zala.
And home is home. I would like discrimination.
Yeah.
I would like racism.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. No, thank you very much. Good luck for the future. So labana abaloke bekhuluma ke siyabona uyalifakela uhlengana nansi ilink sibebuza kule medical aid. It will be sorted. So get on to be sorted.
You got a medical.
You
need to take care of your health.
Usibongile babuya abantu bafunda la bathi hey get umuntu seje safunda la kampo sibongile bonke. Thank you very much Kelly lonke lafunda la alright siyabongela lonke lafunda la siyabonga thank you.